Hello, and welcome to the course. My name is Tracy Allard. I will be the instructor for the upcoming course, Advancing Hand Therapy Through Mentoring. I wanted to introduce myself to you so we can start to get to know each other. I currently work in an outpatient hand clinic in Midwest City, Oklahoma, and am an adjunct instructor at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center. I have been an occupational therapist working in hand rehabilitation for 23 years. I earned my CHT credential in 2005. Through the years, I have mentored numerous students and new graduate OTs seeking to earn their CHT. Mentorship is a valuable tool to help advance the specialty of hand therapy to future generations of hand therapists. Obtaining the knowledge required to earn the CHT credential is challenging. A mentor is an asset to the aspiring hand therapist. A mentor who is a skilled mentor is priceless. I distinctly remember the village of therapists who mentored me through the process of preparing, practicing, and studying for that bear of a CHT exam. The mentoring relationships those therapists fostered during that time in my career deeply impacted my life. To this day, we continue to have collaborative partnerships as colleagues. To this day, I call each of them my friend. 23 years later, I still work with 3 of them. It is often difficult for the busy hand therapists to feel they have the time and are equipped to be an effective mentor. The objective of this course is to equip the experienced hand therapist to encourage, empower, and prepare future generations of hand therapists through mentoring. This course will provide insight into the new generations of learners entering into the profession and how they learn. In this course, students will learn about generational learning and learning styles. This course will also prepare the mentor by looking at what the evidence says about mentors and the mentoring relationship. The final aim of this course is to facilitate a learning environment where OT mentors will learn strategies for effective mentoring, specifically for novice occupational therapists who are seeking to earn their CHT credential. After completing the course, participants will be able to identify and explain attributes of Generation X, the Millennial Generation, and Generation Z, be able to articulate the differences between the generation they belong to and the generations to which they do not belong, define learning styles and understand their impact on how an individual learns, know what learning style they prefer, and be able to explain how they can affect how they mentor. Understand what it means to be a mentor, and be able to name the important characteristics of a mentor. Demonstrate the ability to ask open-ended, thought-provoking questions that will encourage critical thinking, clinical reasoning skills in the mentee. And finally, be able to immediately apply effective mentor strategies in a clinical learning environment. This course is designed especially for you. Your preparation and participation are an expected part of successful completion of the course and for the learning outcomes to be achieved. I invite each of you to join me as we collaborate together and learn what it means to become a mentor so that we can all be a part of training up a new generation of hand therapists. Let's get started.